This is episode 5, the drone show part 2. It is wonderful to see how drones have been programmed to do an amazing show in the sky. There is fire too, and it brings the show alive to the viewers. The scenes that the drones stimulate up high in the sky gives the message at a powerful note of being present. The amazing color demonstration is absolutely a wow at the moment of show. The whole night was full of colors. Some demonstrations are a bit fast, but it all represented the beach and the summer vibes in South Korea. Enjoy to the fullest, as you will get these shows once in every year. I have fast forwarded the show, but it has captured almost every moment in the black sky. The show lasted for 10 minutes. It was vibrant and elegant and hard to miss any spot of light in the sky. The best part of the show comes now. Get ready. The fireworks! We never expected that, but it was absolutely a surprise. And that's it, the final episode of the day, summer 2024. Weekend vibes at Oido Beach.